How to fix can't open messages on Messenger. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. First of all, to fix this problem, you will have to go to your Google Play or App Store. This is a really simple method, but this will help mostly everyone. So make sure to try this method. Search for Messenger. Now make sure to update the app. If you have an update button instead of the open one, you just have to click on it and wait for the Messenger to update. Once you did that, you can check if you can now open your messages. A second method is going to your settings, to your phone's settings, then scroll down and go to apps. From here, you can either scroll down until you find Messenger, or you can just click on the search bar from the right top corner and search for Messenger. Click on the app, and now you have to scroll down, go to storage, and now you have to clear the data and the cache from the bottom of the screen. If you clear the data, you have to know that you will be logged out from your app. So from this, we will head to the third method, which is logging out and then log in again. If you have an iOS device, instead of the clear data and clear cache, you will have a offload app option. So you can click on that. After that, you have to go back. Then go to notifications and then to permissions. And here you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. After that, you just have to restart your device and check if you now can open your messages. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one. And you can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, what is not working for you, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.